All right, we're here in Candlewood Suites near Disneyland. It's about a 20-minute walk. Let's not get into that. Tom's about to make me walk 20 minutes to Disneyland. It's 87 degrees outside. Anyway, doing a room tour. It's a really nice place, new hotel. Tom,
oh, hey, didn't see you there.
well, first of all, before I get into the questions here, show them, convert the chair.
Well, I didn't do it before. I don't
It's
know
on the, it's on the right. It's on your right. It's a button or a lever. Oh man, you're just.
Can't do it.
Grandpa can't work it.
It's a recliner.
No,
it's
babe, it's on the... We don't have fancy recliners at the Bricker Manor.
All right. All right, it's a recliner. What were you saying about this hotel? It was #1 on TripAdvisor for like 5 minutes, and then it dropped down. But anyway, it has a lot of bookings.
It's a lot of bookings.
Didn't you say it was like highly booked or something?
I said it was very popular.
Very popular.
Yeah.
Whatever. Okay. So anyway, this is like a little suite. Got the king size bed right there, or is that queen? That's queen.
That's a queen.
That's a queen. Okay. Got a little kitchen here, table, chairs, 2 chairs. Got some nice appliances, GE, General Electric, shout out to Carousel Progress. Microwave. We got some cabinets here with clear fronts so you can see if there's any like critters inside. Refrigerator and freezer. Ooh, a pitcher that's empty. You could probably put like Kool-Aid in that.
Did you talk about the popcorn?
Trash down there, some paper towels.
Popcorn?
Oh, we got some popcorn. That's pretty
Act
cool.
2.
Act 2. They used to sell that when I worked at Blockbuster.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hot pan holders.
Dishwasher. On
Dishwasher, a little mini stove. That's cool. Don't burn your hand. Coffee maker. We got a little pin board. So I'm gonna pin up this important note so nobody forgets. So there you go. Really small TV. I don't know how I feel about how small that TV
Yeah,
is.
that is something.
Direct TV though. Here's the view. We got the 5 freeway right there. Yeah, 5 freeway, and we got some mountains out there, palm trees. I don't know what this hotel's called. So anyway, a little quick tour of this room since it's trending on TripAdvisor. Full-size mirror, a little skinny, but it fits. Bathroom is nice and big. Look at this big mirror. Extra towels down there, plenty of storage space, plenty of counter space. Bathtub. You families love bathtubs. Wow, Disney started taking bathtubs out of their hotels and putting just showers, and wow, they're hearing it from you folks. So yeah, nice room. Here's the pool. Nice little pool. It's got a bunch of barbecue grills out here, and this should be a pretty nice fireworks view. You can see Mission Breakout right there. Disneyland somewhere over there. So yeah, fireworks view. Okay. But let me know what you think. If you stay here and all that. Oh, we got a closet right here too, right? Yeah.
It's a quick drive to In and Out too.
Quick drive to In and Out. That's a good point. Laundry basket, hangers, ironing board, or ironing board's back there. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's it. Candlewood Suites near Disneyland. Hope you enjoyed this room tour. Thanks for watching.